So I have this Excel sheet here, and if I open this, you will see that my Excel is expired. As you can see, it shows product activation failed and I cannot do anything, not drag and drop, and it is all gray. So let's see how we can use Microsoft 365 Office for free on Windows 10, 11 or any other Windows edition if you're still using it. Press your Windows key and first go to Microsoft Store, and here we will search for Office 365 Copilot, or it's Microsoft 365 Copilot. Where is it? Yeah, click on this and click on install. Let's wait till the installation is complete. So once the installation is complete, you can just click on open and Microsoft Office 365 Copilot will open. And once this is open, it will show your recent files here. So as you can see, you have recent files here inside downloads. Now you can just click on this and it will open. Or if you don't see your file here, what you can do is just click on upload and go to wherever your file is. In my case, it's in download, and I'll just browse to it and just double click on it. And now the thing is, the files here, it will not open inside here, it will open in browser. Okay, so we have the browser here, and now you can edit the file, open the file, or access the file, and it will work fine. So the thing here is, you will need to have internet connection, and you can open PowerPoint presentations, Excel, or anything without activation, but you will need internet access and it will open in your browser. So that is the drawback. So this is how you can open Microsoft 365 Copilot for free. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.